See, what is CMRR? CMRR is known as common mode rejection ratio. Okay, what is exactly the CMRR? It is basically the measure of the ability of op-amp to reject the signals which are common to both the input terminals. Like we in op-amp we are having two input terminals. Okay, the signals which are common to the inverting out input or the non-inverting output, that would not be passed through the op-amp, that would be rejected by the op-amp. Okay, so 90% of the times these signals are the noise only. Okay, like if suppose I'm saying that boys is there, so boys and boys are common, so it would not be pass out. Okay, now suppose if I say boys and girls are there, so boys and girls are not common, so it would be passed out. Okay, understood? So we are having particular formula also for CMRR. CMRR formula is AD over ACM. What is AD over here? A is, I told you, for the gain. Okay, and D is for the differential. D is for the differential. So what is AD over here? AD, we can consider it as a differential gain. Okay, and next, what is ACM? A is for the gain again, and CM is for the common mode, so we can say it as common mode gain. Okay, if they didn't mention any unit for CMRR, then we'll use this formula. If they have mentioned the CMRR in decibels, okay, that depends on the numerical. If they mention the CMRR in decibels, decibels is represented by dB. Okay, so in that case the formula is we'll use 20 log base 10 AD over ACM. Okay, clear this thing? So for that we should know the value of AD. We should know the value of output voltage. There is one more formula. Output voltage is represented by AD VD plus ACM and VCM. Okay, for this AD, maybe they have given you in the question. VD is the difference in the two voltage, so difference in the two voltage is V1 minus V2. Okay, and VCM is the common mode. In that we need to calculate mean, so VCM formula is V1 plus V2 divided by 2. Okay, so generally they'll give you the value of V1 and V2. We'll need to calculate the output voltage. Clear? So if V1 is equal to V2, then ideally output should be 0. Clear this thing? Now